Addition and subtraction of fractions with different denominators. Whenever we are given two or more fractions and we are to perform both addition and subtraction in one line of question like this, this is how we do it. Solution. We have 1 over 3 plus 4 over 5 minus 2 over 3. First, you find the LCM of the denominators. That is LCM of 3, 5, and 3. 3, 5, 3. 3 goes 1, 5, 1. Then 5 goes to give us 1, 1, 1. So our LCM therefore is 3 times 5, which is 15. So now that we have the LCM, we can now perform 1 over 3 plus 4 over 5 minus 2 over 3. This then becomes, now we're going to take a long division line and then we'll put down our LCM at the denominator. Now for the first fraction, we'll perform 15 divided by the denominator of the first fraction, which is 3. And the result of that will be multiplied by the numerator, which is 1. Now, the sign we have next is plus. So we go to the next fraction. We'll have 15 divided by the denominator, which is 5. Multiply that by the numerator, which is 4. And then the next sign is minus, where we'll then do 15 divided by the denominator, which is 3. Multiply that by the numerator, which is 2. Now, this would give us 15 divided by 3, we have 5, multiplied by 1, plus 15 divided by 5, that is 3, multiplied by 4, minus 15 divided by 3, that is 5, multiplied by 2, all over 15. Now, 5 times 1 will give us 5, plus 3 times 4 will give us 12, minus 5 times 2 will give us 10, all over 15. Now, 5 plus 12 would give us 17. So 17 minus 10 over 15. And then 17 minus 10 will give us 7 over 15. Therefore, we can say 1 over 3 plus 4 over 5 minus 2 over 3 is 7 over 5. And that's the solution to this problem. Thank you.